everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosie, and today I'm real excited to show my one completion for May. We're in May, right? Yeah, May. I was going to say April. I'd been wanting to I wanted to do 2 completions, but you know, time and all of that. So I was only able to complete 1. And so this wonderful canvas was less than 30 count, so that's why I used my 30 count storage. And I have a lot of diamonds left over. Oh, I'm super excited because I did get to save this number 3371. As you can see, it's a lot. And this wonderful canvas has a plot twist, so I'll explain in a minute, but this is a majority of the background color. That's why I was super surprised that there was so much left over. And I really love that they were crystalline. I think no, these are ABs. Well, actually ABs too. I love these red ABs. And I believe they call it luminescent diamonds, but they're crystal diamonds. As you can see, it's a beautiful 498. Really nice red. I really like that there was a lot left over. This wonderful canvas doesn't really have a lot of trash left over, as you can see. It surprised me when I was, and it is a smaller canvas, so that's why I wasn't surprised by that much trash left. Never when I was working, I got nervous about the color running out. Not that I remember. Yeah, I didn't have any colors that were going to be really low or anything, so I was super happy about that. This wonderful canvas is from Diamondart Apologies, I just started talking about the diamonds and didn't give you more details. So let me put this aside real quick, and I'm going to dekit this on the side real quick because this is one of my 26 of 26 canvases, part of that challenge. So I want to dekit and kit up the next one I want to do. So the wonderful canvas you're wondering about is this one. My wonderful, if I can turn it, sorry, my wonderful Kitten Nuggets canvas. And yeah, as y'all can see, it's really small and it's really shiny, which I'm a big fan of that. And just for some information, again, this wonderful canvas is called Kitten Nuggets, and it's 14 by 13 inch or 35.8 by 33 centimeters. And it is by Tobe Fonseca. And as I stated, it's a Diamondart canvas. So I was really loving the diamonds and all of that. I'm a big fan of it. And this wonderful painting only has 9 colors. As I stated, I'm just going to dekit real quick and work on another painting that I want to work on for the 26 challenge. But I love how this came out, and oh my goodness, look at the background, so shiny. And I love this little the little nugget in the ketchup. This is where the crystal diamonds go, and that super surprised me. Let me see if I can move it a little closer. As you can see, the beautiful crystal effect. I think it's really cool. I thought it was really neat. That was where the ketchup was going to be, so on top of the nugget and in the little container. Big fan of that. So before I start talking and raving about this wonderful canvas, let me give you some statistics, because I love saying that word. And this wonderful canvas, I'm just getting my physical logbook. Apologies, my handwriting is not the best. So this wonderful canvas, as I stated, only had 9 colors, and it only had 1 AB, 1 fairy dust, and 1 I want to say luminescent, but no, I think I'll say luminescent for now. I forgot what the word is for their crystal diamonds. This painting, total diamonds is 15,600 diamonds, which originally surprised me. Started this painting April 26th of this year and completed it May 24th this year. Yeah, this painting took me over, I timed it, 24 hours and 20 minutes. I originally was hoping to finish this painting in less than 24 hours, but my schedule and everything, and I would only be able to touch this painting when I had a chance, so that's why it took so long for me to finish it. It is smaller, so in theory it should take me less than 24 hours, but next time I'll do better. That, and I'll push it as like a goal that I need to go faster. And my notes on this one, just to give y'all a heads up, as y'all probably can tell, a ton of color blocking. And it's not just the background, but everything was color blocking. With the little nugget box, even the little nuggets were a lot of color blocking. So if you're a big fan of color blocking, you'll really enjoy this canvas. If that's not your cup of tea, all I can say is you keep trucking along. It did come out beautiful, so I have no issues with that. So I just want to give the heads up, because it for all color blocking lovers out there, this is your canvas. And it's mostly the background was what was taking a bit to, hurry up, and I'm going to get to the colored areas. So as you can see, the corners are all color blocking. It's all the same dark color, which is our 3371. Yeah, I originally thought this was going to be 310, which is leading to my next note. No 310 in this canvas. What? I originally thought the lining and the background and anything dark was going to be 310. No, 3371, which super surprised me. I was not expecting that. And 3371, see if I can get a little closer. Really, really beautiful, really dark brown. And I really like it. It still has the wonderful dark shine, which I'm a big fan of. And it is a round shaped diamond. Apologies, I forgot to clarify that. This is my one and only, I was going to say first completion in May, but this is my one only completion in May. And it is my 41st completion of my diamond painting career, and my 6th completion in the year 2026. The number of diamonds I have currently placed is 137,899. Ooh, apologies. Apologies for that. I'm near a window, so I'm near a road, and that was a police siren. So that's why I paused the video, because the siren is too high-pitched and it's really, really difficult to edit it out. So apologies for that. So as I was stating, I have placed a total of 137,879 diamonds. I can't even read my own handwriting. Sorry, y'all. Yeah, I hate 879. Including this one, which is 15,600, my total number of diamonds I've placed is 153,479. I have a goal of placing up to 500,000 diamonds this year, so ooh, I have to get a little faster. A lot of the other paintings I'm currently working on, they're large, a lot bigger than this canvas. So if I can, get my foot running and starting to, complete some of these larger ones, I believe I can hit the goal. I just really have to dedicate on some of my bigger canvases, because I really do want to finish them, and it's because there's so many and they're so pretty, so I really want to finish, and I really want to hit the goal. And this is number 5 of the original 20 I had originally wanted to start for this year, because I want to finish 20 canvases in this year. So I only have 15 more. I'm getting there. It's only 15. And this is my second canvas completion out of the 26 challenge. My first one was my tiger that I did in the beginning of the year. So I'm getting there. The 26 challenge doesn't need to be completions. It just have to be kit ups, but I really, really do want to complete them because they're really pretty and I really want to finish more canvases. So all in all, I did enjoy this canvas. I really did. And I wasn't to the point that I saw this canvas and I kept thinking, oh my goodness, I don't want to work on it. No, I did enjoy it. Wasn't, not as colorful as I would want, because I really love a lot of color. So I would call this one 7 out of 10. It's not, it's not that colorful. And I knew when I was starting up and all of that, I knew it was going to be really 9 colors. So it wasn't going to be a lot of variety. I was just surprised at where the specials went. So majority of the fairy dust is here on the nuggets. A lot of the orange is a really pretty fairy dust. The crystalline diamond super, super surprised me. Iridescent. There you go. That's the term. Sorry, I was thinking in the back of my head. That's what diamondartclub calls these wonderful diamonds. And the wonderful red AB went in these little blocks in the cover, which I really do like where all the specials go. So I did enjoy that when I was placing them. This impressed me. It's supposed to be the little lid to the ketchup packet. So I love this little kind of foil effect. I really liked it. So all in all, I really did enjoy it. And I liked that it was a small size. So I had no problems with it. Just whenever I wanted to work on a really quick one. So, because I remembered this time. That was dramatic. My bingo card. So I knew I did my last video. I can't remember when I recorded it. That, yeah, I kept forgetting the bingo card, but I remembered this time. Yay! So this wonderful canvas, let's see what is on the bingo card. Complete a kit with a flower in it. Nope. Complete a zodiac kit. Nope. Complete an abstract kit. No, this isn't an abstract. It's a box of nuggets. Complete a Disney themed kit. Nope, it's not Disney. Kit with an animal dressed like a human. Nope, they're kitty cat nuggets. That kind of makes sense. Complete of your most intimidating. Oh goodness, this isn't that. Complete a beach kit. Nope. Complete a kit as part of an event. I don't know if the challenge is considered an event. I don't believe so. Ooh, I didn't think of that, the wording. Nope, because I am planning to do an event in the summer and, of course, drills and chills. So I'll hold off on this one when I do an event. I'll hold off on that one. Complete a Margaret Morales kit. I'm actually thinking of kitting one up, but I'm not too sure because it's kind of big, all of my Margaret Morales kit. So stay tuned for that. I'll get back to you on it. Complete a kit with 100 colors or more. Goodness, no, this is only 9. Complete a full crystal kit. I need to buy one because I actually don't own one. Complete a cross-stitch conversion. I'm still planning to do mine near the end of the year. Complete a kit with a rainbow. Nope. Complete your oldest kit. Ooh, not even close. Complete a kit with a dragon. No, this one didn't. Complete a gnome kit. Nope, don't have it. Single place an entire kit. No, because the background I was ending up single placing because I was finding it was faster for me, but especially for the Kitten Nuggets, no, I was using a multi-placer, so I don't want to lie to y'all, I'm being honest. So let's look at the second ticket card. Complete a painting with no 310. Voila! And I remembered this spot. So when I was working on this painting and I kept catching, ooh, there's no 310, this one is perfect for it. So let me get one of my boba tea stickers because I really like these stickers. Voila! Yay! I put one. Complete a landscape. Not even close. Complete a Halloween or fall kit. I already know what canvas I want to do for that one. Complete a mystery kit. I own only one mystery kit, but the reason I haven't moved forward with it is because I don't know if y'all want to see a mystery kit, because I know part of the mystery kits are supposed to be surprises, so I'm still thinking about this one, so I'll get back to you all on that. Apologies for the thumping, it's my upstairs neighbors. Kit with 100,000 drills. Not even. Complete your oldest kit. Oh, it's the same one as the other one. Nope. Complete a mini set. I'm actually working on one, and I think I'm getting close to finishing. I think I need 2 more, and I can do this square. Complete a spring kit. Nope, not this one, but I do have one that I think is kind of spring-ish. Complete a kit with 20 special drills. Oh, I really need to research to find one for that. Complete a kit with only special drills. Oh my goodness. I think these correspond together, but if it's only special drills, I think the crystal kit would be with this one. Ooh, a fairy dust kit. I'll get back to you on that. Complete a small shop kit. I am currently working on, so I'm getting close to finishing that one. Complete your newest kit. This one, I'm kind of confused because newest as in, let's say, did I purchase it within a year within the month? Or am I overanalyzing it? Because technically this is one of my new kits because I bought it this year and I worked on it this year. When did I purchase this one? When did I purchase this one? I got it when it came out in new release. It was the beginning of this year. So technically, yeah, this would be a newest kit because it's within the same year. I'm thinking of it because I do own a lot of canvases of, let's say, 2024. So those would be considered my oldest. This is the newest kit. So I'll fill in that block. Yay! I had to really overthink it. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, you get a sticker. Hey, this one has planets. I didn't notice that. Completed kit with no specials. Ooh. Good luck to me on that because I love my fairy dust and my ABs and all of that. Complete a kit with plants or greenery. I actually have a kit in mind for that. Complete a Christmas winter kit. This is going to be my July canvas. It's going to be a whip that I want to finish, so I'll get back to you on that. And complete a summer kit. I don't think chicken nuggets is considered summer. So this one I'll hold off on it. So yeah, not bad. I got to fill in 2 squares. Oh my goodness, the top of this card has nothing. So I do have an abstract one kitted up. I do have a beach one, but I'm not working on it currently. So, and I think I have a couple of them. I think I have a smaller Margaret Morales, so I'll get back to you all on that one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to really research this one. And it's funny, this whole row doesn't have any. So no bingo today, but I'm getting close. I only need 1 here. Well, actually, this one is for this row and diagonal. And yeah, it's only on this card. So this card, it's not... You know, when I first started seeing these bingo cards, I kept thinking, oh, no way, I'm gonna get a bingo. Until I actually started doing it, and I thought, ooh, no. I'm going to have to do work. I really want to do the complete landscape, but I think I have one kitted up, but I'll have to make sure. I'm not too sure. I have to go through all my canvases again. So yeah, I really enjoy these bingo cards too. I really like it. And yeah, so that is my completion for May. You're all going to see this kit again probably in a week or two because I'm going to do my May month of review. So you're going to see this one more time. So stay tuned. I just wanted to do this video to give you more information about the canvas for the month of review. Is for all other canvases that I have. So stay tuned for it. But I do recommend it and I do think it's cute. I really love the kitty cats. Even you, Mr. Ketchup. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Yep, emoji time. A kitty cat emoji. I don't know if there's a nugget emoji. Because that actually would be pretty cool. Because I don't think I've seen one. But a kitty cat will do. Because they're all cute and kitties. And again, and you can put them in the comments below. It allows me to know you were kind enough to watch the video all the way to the end. Thank you so much for that. And I really do appreciate it. And now, back to painting. Because I have so many to do. And again, thank you for your time. And have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.